go. There we go. Where's the... Just all of it? Oh my god.
Okay, Arlen.
Oh my god, I don't even... You don't know what the macros are only place.
Listen to that.
Yes!
Cut it in half and split it open. Oh my god.
Oh man, that looks so good. Sweet Jesus.
New screensaver pick.
Yeah. It's cutting way better than I thought it would.
Yeah.
Look at that, even if you cut it into 8.
Because it's so juicy. Listen to it.
I'm not gonna say what it sounds like.
It sounds like I'm fapping your mom. Fake chow to... Oh, what did it say?
I'm just no.
I fake chow to DJ's mom.
No utensils are going to touch this magical piece. And I'm going to lick my plate clean.
Food.